In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide participants' Microsoft Teams. To begin, open Microsoft Teams in your web browser and go to the meeting you want to manage. This works during a live meeting, so it is best to join the meeting first and wait until the meeting window fully loads. Once you are in, take a moment to look along the meeting controls. You will see options for things like chat, reactions, and the area where you can manage who is in the meeting. Next, open the participant list by selecting People. This is the control that shows everyone currently in the meeting, including guests and internal attendees. When you click People, a panel will appear, usually on the right side of your screen, listing participants. Keeping this panel open is important because the remaining actions happen inside this area. Now, look within that People panel for the control that changes how participants are displayed. In Teams, this is typically a small toggle or menu option related to showing or hiding the participant list or changing the meeting layout. Select the highlighted option in the People panel to adjust the view. After you click it, you should notice the participant display changes, which helps reduce on-screen clutter and keeps the focus on shared content or the active speaker. After that, select the next highlighted option that appears. This second selection finalizes the display change, effectively hiding the participants from view in your meeting window. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your Teams version and screen size, but the idea is the same. You are switching from a view where the participant roster is visible to a view where it is tucked away. A quick tip: if you need to bring the list back later, return to People and use the same controls to show participants again. Also, if you are presenting or sharing your screen, hiding the participant panel can give you more space and a cleaner view, which can help you stay focused on your content. And that is all there is to it.